Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome back to the E portion of Tell Joanne. I am your girl, Joanne, and we are on the road to watching Wicked. And before watching Wicked, I am watching the songs that are going to be in the movie because as I watch the movie, I will not be able to play any of the songs. You guys won't be able to see any of the songs for copyright issues, but most important because they're gonna block my video if I do. So I am watching the songs ahead of time, and while I am actually watching the videos, I will be going like this to link up these videos so you guys can actually watch if you have not seen it. With that said, this is going to be 5 out of 11. I've already done 5, so definitely watch those and know that. And the 11th is actually going to be the full movie Wicked. With that said, if you're a part of the family, you already know we're about to do our cheer. And if this is your very first time, welcome to the family. Definitely hit that subscribe button. And on the count of 3, we will do our cheer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. So we are going to watch now.
I see that once again, the responsibility to corrupt my fellow students falls to me.
The trouble with schools is they always try to teach the wrong lesson.
Okay.
Believe me, I've been kicked out of enough of them to know.
Okay, he's a bad boy.
They want you to become less callow, less shallow. But I say, why invite stressing? Stop studying strife and learn to live the unexamined life. Dancing to life, skim.
So I'm pausing it real quick. So if you watch the other 5 videos, you will know, like, within the first 3 videos I was breaking down. It's kind of interesting, a little bit refreshing that I don't know much about this character in terms of how I relate to him and the things that he is saying. So I'm actually going to get to hear the song and listen to the song that he's saying for what it is, as opposed to me boohooing. Or at least I don't think I'm going to boohoo at the end of this song. So I just wanted to say that little bit. Let's go back a little bit. Okay.
Unexamined life. Dancing to life, skimming the surface, gliding where turf is smooth. Life's more painless for the brainless. Why think too hard? Dancing to life, skimming the surface, gliding where turf is smooth. Life's more painless for the brainless. Why think too hard when it's so soothing? Dancing through life, no need to tough it when you can slough it off. As I do, nothing matters, but knowing nothing matters. It's just life, so keep dancing. Dancing to life, swaying and sweeping, and always keeping cool. Life is fraughtless when you're thoughtless. Those who don't try never look foolish. Dancing through life, mindlessly.
What interesting message he's saying, right? That if you're thoughtless, that you can dance through life, right? If you're foolish, you can dance through life. I'm hearing this, and I'm getting the slogan that ignorant is bliss. That's what I'm getting. Comment below and let me know if that's the same thing that you're getting. So how interesting is his mindset that is what he's saying? And if he's aware of it, that sounds like a person who is hiding behind something, right? To say dance through life and pretend you're dumb, right? Be dumb and things are going to be easier. And I'm wondering the character that he's going to be playing with. Is he going to be one of those very aware but playing dumb, or is he going to be one of those really, I say dumb, but I don't mean to say dumb, I mean to say naive, or is he going to be one who is quite smart but a coward? You know? Very interesting, very interesting. Let me go back a little bit.
Dancing through life, swaying, sweeping, and always keeping cool. Life is thoughtless when you're thoughtless. Those who don't try never look foolish. Dancing through life, mindless and careless. Make sure you're wearless. Trouble is rife. Woes are fleeting, blows are glancing when you're dancing through life. Let's go down to the Oyster's Ballroom. We'll meet there later tonight. We can dance to the slide. Find the prettiest girl, give her a whirl. Right on down to the Oyster's Ballroom. Come on, follow me. You'll be happy to be there. Dancing through life. If only because dust is what we come to. Nothing matters, but knowing nothing matters. It's just life. It's just life. So keep dancing through.
Glinda, I hope you'll save a dance for me tonight. I'll be right there, waiting, all night.
That's so kind. But you know it would be even kinder? See that tragically beautiful girl, the one in the chair. It seems so unfair. We should go on a spree, and not she. Gee, I know someone would be my hero if that someone were to go invite her.
Well,
Is that the same guy that's singing that's talking right now? Comment below. I'm gonna watch the movie, so I guess I'll know by the time you guys comment. But let me know.
maybe I could invite her.
Oh, Dick, really? You would do that for me?
I would do anything for you.
You're good.
I don't know what you mean. I love helping others.
It's not the same guy.
Oh, and I happen to be free tonight, after all. Now that we've met one another, it's clear we deserve each other. You're perfect,
You're perfect.
so we're perfect together. Born to be forever.
Dancing through life.
You'll never guess what just happened to me. That perfectly adorable munchkin boy just asked me out. He said he was too shy to ask me at first, but then Glinda emboldened him.
Wait, Glinda.
Don't you dare say another word against her. I'm about to have the happiest night of my life. Thanks to Glinda. Finally, for this one night, I'm about to have a fun night with this munchkin boy Glinda found for me. And I only wish there were something I could do for her to repay her. Alphabet C, we deserve each other, and Glinda helped it come true.
Okay, so it sounds like Glinda just became the superhero for the sister right now. That's what I'm hearing. Oh, guys, I can't wait to see the picture that comes with this. All right. Okay, and Glinda wasn't doing it to be a superhero. Glinda was probably trying to do it to impress the other dude. Okay.
We deserve each other, me and Bach. Please, Alphabet, try to understand. I do.
Glinda, Nessa and I were talking about you just now, and
Oh, well, we were just talking about you. How you should join us tonight at the Ozdust. And don't tell me you have nothing to wear, because you could wear this. I mean, it goes with everything you own. It's really sharp, don't you think? You know what? Is this your skink? You deserve each other, this hat and you. You're both so smart.
Oh, that's the scene where you saw in the trailer with her hat. So she's saying she could wear the hat in the trailer, but we remember from the trailer that she hated the hat. So okay, so Glinda is not really that nice. I'm so confused about Glinda. I'm curious to really see this movie to know how I feel about Glinda. She's going to be a very complex character for me anyway, in terms of whether I like her, whether I don't, whether she's real, whether she's fake, whether she's this, whether she's that. I'm very curious.
You deserve each other, so here, out of the goodness of my heart.
Listen, Nessa.
Yes?
Nessa, I've got something to confess. A reason why, well, why I asked you here tonight. And I know it isn't fair.
Bach, I know why.
You do?
It's because I'm in this chair and you felt sorry for me. Well, isn't that right?
No. Oh, no.
Okay, so from this, right off the bat, and I guess I shouldn't be surprised, Nessa seems to have low self-esteem as well. A boy asked her out and she says that, let's really think about this. She was so happy and so grateful that Glinda sent this boy to ask her out, or nudged him to ask her out, but in the back of her mind, she felt that he asked her out because out of pity, and she said yes. I gotta tell you the psychological damage that the parents did not only to her and to her sister, but also to her. Comment below, guys. I'm sure you all seen this movie, and I know I'm late on it, but for someone to say that, to say yes to someone asking them to go out, knowing that, or feeling in their heart that it was out of pity, that got to be something. I'm curious to hear what the boy's gonna say.
I don't feel sorry for you. You're great. I asked you because you are so beautiful.
Look, I think you're wonderful. We deserve each other.
I'm wondering if he's telling the truth or is he lying to her? Huh.
Don't you see, this is our chance. We deserve each other, don't we, Bach?
You know what? Let's dance.
What?
Let's dance.
how they're dancing.
Dancing through life here at the Oscars, if only because dust is what we come to. And here's a strange thing, your life could end up changing while you're dancing.
Woo! Oh my goodness! Woo! So far, this, just listening to the soundtrack, I went through the emotions, guys. I went through crying sadness. I went through laughter. I went through complex questioning. Like, this is so excited. I cannot wait to see the movie. I can't wait to see the whole thing. Okay, so this was, I believe it was 5 out of 11, 11 being the full movie that we are going to watch. Again, if this is your first time and you are new, definitely watch the other 5 videos we did and watch the rest of the videos we're going to do, and also watch videos that I did about a month ago or 2 months ago. And welcome to the family. And if you are part of the family, thank you for continuing this journey with me. And we are going to go to the next song, which is going to be Popular. All right. Watch the next video. Bye.